Understanding geometry nodes. If you want to use Blender, understanding geometry nodes is an advantage in terms of speed and efficiency. Theoretically, anything that can be done in Blender can be done in a geometry node. In this video, we will look at how to use objects to control the vertices of other objects. It can be implemented by using the hook function without using a geometry node. Add one more sphere object in addition to the default cube object. Through this sphere object, we want to control the movement of the cube's vertices. First, let's implement it using the hook function provided by Blender's edit mode. Select the sphere object, hold down the Shift key, and select the cube. Then select the vertices you want to control in edit mode and select hook to selected object. Now, as the sphere object moves, the vertices of the cube connected by the hook move together. Since the hook is basically a modifier, you can see that the modifier is applied to the cube object. The strength value allows you to specify the strength of the connection. A strength value of 0 is equivalent to not being connected. This time, we will implement the same effect as the hook through the geometry node. Apply a geometry node to the default cube and add a set position node. Add an index node and a compare node to select the vertices you want to control. Add a sphere object to control the selected vertices. Drag the sphere object into the geometry node editor. Then select the location socket of the object info node. Connect to the position socket of the set position node. Then, the same effect as connected by hook is implemented. Add a mix color node to implement the hook modifier's strength menu effect. If you connect the position node, you can implement the strength effect through the factor value.